Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tandy, and in this channel I talk about lifestyle. When I mean a lifestyle, I talk about everything that a human being, like a lady, would want: dressing, cooking, house decor, outings, dating, fashion, everything that you may want. So it will come in here. And also I share real life stories, guys. I've been everywhere, so I hope my stories are going to encourage somebody. I'm going to try to share my stories in both languages, in Shona or in English, and I'm going to have a mix so that people can, those who needs to be helped, they can be helped. So yes guys, anyway, so today I'm going to be talking about setting up a romantic dinner table for two using what we have in the home. We're not going to break the bank to set up a romantic dinner table. We're going to have what we have. We want to keep it simple and classy. Keep it simple and classy, right? So the basic things that we need roses if we can, lighting. Lighting is a must. Definitely candles. Light a candle, girl. Light a candle. A glass of wine, of course, yes. If you take wine, if you don't, non-alcoholic drinks are allowed, even your cup of tea. Sometimes I'm weird like that, and I can have my cup of tea with my dinner, yes. And flowers. I love fresh flowers, as you can see from the background, but I've got loads and loads of artificial flowers, which we can also use to decorate the table. So I'm going to give you two ways of doing it. Keep it simple, keep it classy. Once you've done that, guys, no quarreling on the dinner table. It's classy, it's romantic. It's just time for fun, unwind, laugh, enjoy food and drink, right? No quarreling. Don't ask him about the bills that he hasn't paid yet. No. Just enjoy it. Just make sure those things are dealt with before this romantic dinner. So guys, let's go and set it up. Thank you.
Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Ni kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig.
This is the end product. I hope you like it, guys. It's nice and simple. We don't have to break the bank to make it look nice, so you make us have a good time. So that's us. I hope you love this, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Did I leave anything? Is there anything that you have done better than this? Thank you guys, and enjoy your romantic nights. Bye.
De vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid och jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Vi kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the second romantic dinner table setup at home. I hope you have a good time the next time you set it up in your own house. Please don't break the bank. Just use what you have in your house. Please subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be bringing quite a lot of content similar to this. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Thank you so much.